Training day for our Arctic ski expedition began early, as all of us gathered at a warehouse for the day's briefing and hands-on training. There was a quiet mix of excitement and nerves in the air. This was the moment it all started to feel real. The expedition was no longer just something we had planned for months. It was finally beginning. We started by learning one of the most essential skills for life out in the Arctic: how to assemble and start the stove, safely handle the fuel and oils, and prepare food in extreme cold. It may sound simple, but in this environment, even the smallest task becomes a survival skill. Every step had to be done right. Next came tent training. We learned how to build the tent, secure it firmly against strong Arctic winds, and understand the important do's and don'ts that could make all the difference during the expedition. Every knot, every anchor, every movement had a purpose. At first it seemed simple, just putting up a tent, but out here, it is so much more than that. This tent will be our shelter after long hours of skiing across the Arctic. The place where we will return to for warmth, food, rest, and a sense of safety before starting the journey again the next day. Where to place our gear, how to enter without bringing too much snow inside, how to organize the sleeping bags, cooking equipment, and essentials so everything remains accessible. We also learned the routines that matter most after a long day on the ice: how to quickly settle in, prepare warm meals, dry what we can, and create a small space that feels almost like home in the middle of the Arctic. It made me realize that the tent is not just equipment. For the days ahead, it will be our refuge, our warmth, and our place to recover both physically and mentally. Then came our first ski session. Putting on the skis, finding balance, and taking those first slightly awkward steps on snow was both humbling and exciting. It was a reminder that every great adventure begins with learning from the basics. Part of our expedition attire is sponsored by Baffin, specialists in polar clothing and boots. In the Arctic, the right gear is everything, and we are grateful to have their support on this journey. After that, we moved on to one of the most important lessons of the day: how to pack our sled efficiently and optimally. Out here, every gram matters. Every item has to earn its place. We had to think carefully about what to bring and how to pack it. Food supplies, the tent, sleeping bags, layers of clothing, cooking equipment, fuel, and all the essentials needed to survive in the Arctic. Then came the gear testing. We checked our harnesses, secured the carabiners, adjusted the straps, and made sure every connection point was safe and reliable. After packing the sled, we carefully tested its balance and weight distribution. Nothing could be loose, uneven, or unstable. We then clipped ourselves in and tried pulling the sled, making sure everything was packed properly and moved smoothly behind us. That moment made it all feel real. The weight, the resistance, the effort, a small glimpse of what the days ahead would demand from us. As the day drew to a close, we sat down together to discuss the expedition route ahead, the maps, the terrain, the distance, and what to expect in the days to come. In that moment, it truly sank in. This was no longer just preparation. This was the beginning of our Arctic journey, a full day of learning, small mistakes, laughter, and growing confidence. Because in the Arctic, the journey starts long before the first step into the snow.